If you are a digital marketing consultant, in this video I will show you how you could schedule appointments with potential clients using the calendar module of Framework360. It is very convenient. In fact, you just need to install it under customization. Plugin, we search for Asos Calendar. As we can see, we can install this feature. Let's remember that Framework360 is a comprehensive digital marketing platform. As we can see, a new section will have opened on the left called Calendar, and then Appointments. Here we will have the possibility, clearly, based on all the operators available. In this case, there is only one to schedule appointments, as we can see for the 16th, 17th, 18th. I could write to have an appointment. I can send a reminder to the client. I can send a reminder to the operator, that is to the user. Clearly, for our company, by enabling the notification, I could also integrate the calendar with Google Calendar, so every appointment made on Framework360 would also be sent to Google Calendar. There is the possibility to divide by month, week, or day, and it is very convenient. We can also insert booking forms so that the potential client, once they arrive on our website, can book themselves independently. The appointment.